Well, hey guys, I'm up here on deck 14, and at the very front of the ship there's a spot called the sun deck. And honestly, if I wasn't staying on deck 14, I might not even know this is here. But what you want to do is come to the front of the ship and go to the left side or the port side, and what we want to do is we want to walk down the hall to the very front of the ship. And once we get down here at the very front of the ship, there's a actual door down here. There's a button here on the left hand side. You just push, this door slides open, and this is the sun deck. It's a real good place to come and if you want to watch yourself come into port or sail away. But like I say, most people don't even know this is up here, and actually we're right above the place where the captain and they actually steer the vessel. So hey, let's walk around up here right quick, and we'll check out the sun deck. You can see over there, the day I'm filming this, we're actually coming into Casamaya, Mexico. But hey, let's continue our walk, and we'll check this sun deck out. As we walk, if you'll look to the right, that's the solarium. I've actually got a video on that. If you'll look in the video file at the end, I'll put an end screen. You can check out all my videos from this Allure of the Seas vacation. But hey, we're getting on up here. There's a little spot on each side that protrudes out that you can actually walk out on. So I'll walk out on this right quick and we'll take a look. All right, there's the nose of the boat. You can see that pad down there. That's the helipad. So if you ever have an emergency or have to land a helicopter, that's where you land it at. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little walkthrough of the sun deck on deck 14. If you're ever on Allure of the Seas, come find it and check it out. It's a pretty neat place. But hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, happy cruising.